Alright, Joe's shooting Roy in the ass with a BB gun.
I already pumped it. You can't pump it. You gotta, like, at least cock it back. Have you pumped anything?
Yeah. I'll load it before you do it.
Nah, it wasn't like that.
Alright. Hold on, let me get on the other side of the... Alright. Alright, come on, guys.
Yeah, it's gonna hurt.
Pull your shirt up, bitch.
He's gotta see your ass. Come on, Roy. You say you're gonna bitch out. Don't back out. $10, Roy.
Stay back a little bit, Joe. Why do you gotta
He's paying. Yeah, he said point blank $10. Roy. No, 2 pumps.
Fuck up. I got neighbors.
Turn the fuck around.
Do it, Roy.
Stop moving. Ready?
Go.
Go.
Oh! Give my money!